What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out Icon Park in Orlando. Look at the wheel. There's no lights on. Wonder what's going on with that. Let's go in there and find out. It's all dark. It's kind of strange. Okay, guys, so we're entering the arcade. There's some people around playing some video games. Check out The Walking Dead. That's pretty cool. Alright, so as we walk around here, I just wanted to go over some prices of stuff. The Icon wheel, that's going to run about somewhere around $30. It's 400 feet tall. So I'm going to see if we can ask around and see what's going on with this, why it's not running, why the lights are off. So here's Ripley's Crazy Golf. It's a cool mini golf indoors, nice and AC. Blacklight, it's pretty cool. I haven't done it yet, but I definitely want to do it soon. Right next door we have the Museum of Illusions. All kinds of really cool touristy kind of stuff here that's free. It's free to park. You can walk right in. So the Blue Man Group performs there. I was looking at the ticket price. I'd never seen it, but it's anywhere from $55 to $100. 90-minute show. Museum of Illusions, back to that, it's about $24 to $27. Now it depends on kids' prices, adults' prices, of course. And there's the Slingshot. We're gonna get up close to that. Check that thing out. You got food stands all over the place here. All right, this is the StarFlyer, which is, at the time of the recording, July 2026, $17 per person, give or take. Don't quote me exactly. I'm just kind of going by the website, which could change, obviously. Of course, I sped that up so you can see it going. You have to wait for it, but check that out. That thing is it's like over 400 feet tall. It's like 400 to 450 feet. It's insane. I have not done it yet. Do I want to do it? Kind of. I'm a thrill seeker, but I don't know if I'm that much of a thrill seeker, to be honest. It's not that I mind heights. It's, do I trust the chains? I mean, this thing's held on by not much. Now, I'm not deterring you from going to do it. I say go for it. I just wanted to show it to you. Okay, we got more food stands here. There are restaurants around too. You have Blake Shelton's Old Red, the Tin Roof, which both feature live music, Brother Jimmy's Barbecue, and the Winery and Tasting Room. That's all here. It looks like they're building a Ford's garage too. It should be cool. There's the Slingshot in the background. All right, let's venture on, see what else we have here. I definitely want to get up closer to this thing, so we're gonna go do that in a minute. Here's the train ride. It's like a kiddie train ride. I think it's $8 if I remember correctly. Okay, and here's Fear's Bubble Show. This ranges anywhere from $14 to $20. Of course, check the website for updated info. This looks like a cool show. It wasn't open when I was there. I was here pretty late. But if I come back during the day, I'm going to check it out. And there's a carousel. Tin Roof. There's the Tin Roof I was talking about. It's all kinds of like touristy stuff and trinkets and Florida stuff. It's cool stuff. All right, here we are at the Slingshot. Now, the ticket prices on this look like, at the time of the recording, it was $40. That's a 450-foot slingshot into the air. That's insane. You guys have the guts to do it? Comment below. Have you done it? Comment below. Should I do it? Tell me. And here's the springs that power the thing. I thought that was kind of interesting. pulls back and pulls the rope somehow. I'm not sure exactly how that works, but it's kind of an interesting way it's powered. Okay, and here's the Pirates Cove Adventure Golf. According to the website, they have 18 holes, which is $20, and at 36 holes, which is $30. I think this is one of the bigger mini golf courses around. Until you get to Kissimmee, they got a bunch of them. Yeah, and it's really cool. They have all kinds of different props and stuff, make you feel like you're in a Pirates Cove. Just gonna walk around this thing. Yep, so Icon Park, right next to Epic Universe. You guys want something to do that's affordable? You can park there. Like I said, you can park there for free. You can pick and choose the attractions you want to do. You don't have to spend a lot of money there. So I talked to somebody. What's going on is the yearly maintenance. But why the lights are completely out, I don't know, because some nights the lights are on. And it just looks strange. There's no lights at all on it. So comment below if you think you know why they keep all the lights off, because I wasn't able to find the answer besides just maintenance. And there it is, once again. And then the Blue Man Group, here's the building where you go see that. It's like right underneath the wheel. All right, guys, thanks for checking out the video. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna bring more of these attractions to you. Until next time, guys, later.